Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to look at our smart lighting range, specifically our motion sensors for turning our lights on and off. What components could we use for installation? A 12-volt or 24-volt converter, a light fixture suitable for that voltage, and a motion sensor ideal for hallways and walk-in closets. Let's do the installation on the secondary port. Then, since we're not using the control port, the sensor will only be able to connect the line that hangs from it. Therefore, we'll only be able to connect one light fixture. How would we do that? The male end of the sensor would go to the converter, and the female end would go to the light fixture. Now we've got it connected, and the motion sensor is already working. Let's get to it. We'll manage the cable in the control port, and now we'll connect the cable to the sensor. Male to female, female to male. That's it, just a few simple clicks. Remember, the sensor can be recessed or you can use the accessory it comes with to surface mount it. Let's connect the lights. Remember, we can connect up to 6 lights to any of its 6 control ports. They should be on now. Now, since the sensor is motion activated, it will detect me as long as it sees movement. If I move away, it will turn off after 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, the light has turned off. I'm going to wave my hand so it detects me and you can see how it turns back on. See you in upcoming videos with more news from the smart range.